So you guys sent us this cool Hello World logo. Yeah, you can see that this is a bed of your Hello World and Bloomberg rockets.
Yeah, because we just sent you like a 2D drawing of our hopes and dreams.
Yeah.
Now we're going to turn this model into sugar. Welcome to Sugar Lab, where Kyle von Haslin and his team are looking to shape sugar into edible art. They do it with this homegrown, first-of-its-kind machine. Send them a design, and they'll candify it as many times as you'd like.
I'm just realizing now, this is like the Jetsons.
Yeah, totally.
Push button,
super futuristic.
Get food.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
After the design is approved, a quick Control-P sends it over here.
Super proud of this. This is the current 3D printer. We designed and built it from scratch. You can see, like, it looks like a kind of commercial kitchen equipment, but it also contains all of the processes that we're familiar with 3D printing. It manages this dry powder, which is starch and sugar. And then we've got a print head over here, which moves across and actually prints the object. We actually jet liquid water and alcohol into the surface along with food dye. And by jetting just the right amount, we create this picture-perfect image of the object at that cross-section. Yeah, so these are the Hello World rockets.
That's pretty cool. I know it's just air, but that's still somehow exciting.
Yeah.
Since reaching peak hype a decade or so ago, 3D printers have found a solid niche in manufacturing, making shapes that are too tricky for traditional methods. The technology has been used to print wild high cuisine creations and to squish lab-grown meat cells into pleasing forms. The idea, I confess, does not exactly make my mouth water, and walking into Sugar Lab, I was skeptical. But that was before I met Chef Jonathan and tried his tasting menu.
Yeah, so we have a nice assortment of different things. We have dealer's choice here.
Okay.
I got some chocolate-covered sushis.
Just your classic skull.
Just your classic Shakespearean skull.
Okay, it's sweet, but it's not as sweet as I kind of thought it was going to be. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, really like, and just
Yeah.
sickening sweet, but it's not. It's like more meringue-like in texture.
That is what I was looking for.
Yeah.
It's like a meringue. These look like everlasting gobstoppers, but they are not.
No, they're not everlasting gobstoppers. They're never-lasting gobstoppers.
It's very good.
Yeah.
It's very good.
I just want to put that out there. They won't last forever if you buy these. So.
Oh, it's cool. You get the color and you get the fizz.
Maybe give it a little stir.
Can I taste?
Yeah.
Is it safe to drink this much glitter?
Yeah, it's totally food-safe, edible glitter.
But there was more.
We have a strawberry-covered chocolate,
And more.
a cranberry Frankenstein, one of our 90s bonbon shells, a matcha Buddha for you, hazy IPA ganache bonbon, our glitter skull, our happy little pencil bonbon. We got our fun little octopus there. My favorite boat, drink drops,
It sparkles.
green tea bonbon.
Oh, that's really good. Holy it's like layer upon layer of magical bits and pieces.
Totally.
And finally, the 3D piece de résistance.
Yeah.
This one we made in ginger.
It's kind of like more subtle too than you would expect. I mean, it's very pure, kind of the platonic form of ginger, but it's not
Exactly.
insane. Yeah. I did not ever think I would be eating a rocket. You should send this to space.
Oh yeah.
I know people.
Still, a ginger rocket ship is just the culinary start. As long as something can be dehydrated into powder, this team can print it.
So obviously you sell kind of end things to businesses and consumers, but then the idea is to sell these the actual machines
Yeah,
themselves?
yeah. So these 3D printers can go into any commercial kitchen in the US and even across the globe, and we're going to start selling them this year.
Okay. Like, I feel like this is every Michelin-starred chef
Definitely.
is gonna have one of these things.
Yeah.
We've done stories on synthetic meats in the past, like protein grown in a vat.
Yeah.
Now I'm picturing
We could absolutely print meat here. It's totally true.
you could make like a chicken orange.
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something like that.
yeah. We've done some weird mashups like
Yeah.
that. Yeah, the detail and the color here means that we can create something that maybe looks like a lemon but tastes like dehydrated pineapple or
Yeah.
something.
After scarfing this much sugar, I may need these guys to 3D print me a new pancreas. But I'm happy to report that the food of the future is more delicious than you might think.